Hey there guys, welcome back to Cop Talks. This video is actually being filmed on the auxiliary camera that I reviewed in my other video. So this is just kind of showing and detailing the quality of this camera as well as the microphone and the recording of the main body unit over here. So as you can tell, this video is pretty distorted, I would say, compared to some of my other cameras. The main unit does not distort the video this much. It says it's a 100-degree lens. I guess that's pretty true, but it kind of gives it this bubble look, right? I'm not a big fan of that. Now, the audio quality is not too bad, but the video from the main unit is perceivably better than this little auxiliary camera. Now, this camera is still pretty decent. Like I said in my other video, I just usually recommend this for casual use, but I just want to make this quick little video here to detail, or not really to detail, but just to give an example of the video quality of this. So anyway guys, I sure appreciate you joining me today, and I hope to catch you in the next one.